Question: which language are used to develop AI? Answer: so there are 5 major languages that are used to develop AI. First is Python, second is Java, and third is R language, and fourth is C++, fifth is Julia. Python is a powerhouse of AI. Python undistributed heavyweight campaign in AI development is readability, visibility, and extended libraries, machine learning and deep learning projects. Whatever you are building neural network or implementing in algorithm, Python has your back. Python called powerhouse in AI. Second is Java. Java is known for its scalability star. When it's come to large scale applications, Java steps in ring known for its probability and scalability. Java is an excellent choice for AI projects that demand robustness and efficiency in the backbone of many enterprises level in AI solutions. So we call Java a scalability star. So third is R language, mean statistical wizard. Statics play a certain role in AI, and R is a language that mastered to the domain widely used in data analysis and statistical modeling. R is you go to choose for projects where understanding interpreting data in a paramount. So R is statistical wizard. Then fourth is C++. It's known for its speed. AI applications often require lightning fast processing, and that's where C++ shine with emphasis on performance. C++ is a favorite for AI developers work on projects where speed is all. Then fifth is Julia. It's a racing star. With Julia, the racing star in the AI development scene. Known for its speed and simplicity, Julia is gaining traction, especially in numerical computing and data science. Keep eye on this one, it might be a big thing. If you get some information from this video, subscribe for more videos like this and share with your friends.